Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at euro dollar on the daily chart. What we can see over here is that market is having a consolidation over here. We have a long shadow towards the upside. Take note of that. All right. So with this kind of formation, although it is still doesn't have a confirmed movement, but it is more towards the downside than upside because of this long shadow over here. Okay, so down to the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, we can see pretty much the volume start to taper down after, just before the Friday market close. Okay, so take note of that as well on the 4-hour chart. So what is the confirmation that we're looking at? A breaking and closing above the previous high over here, 2170, will show that a direction going towards the upside, and a break and close below this level 1.2023 will suggest that potential continuous towards the downside. To the 1-hour chart, this is what we got. A bit of consolidation zone over here due to Friday close. Back to daily chart, let me share with you my analysis. So just right before I do that, let's have a look, scan these QR codes over here, and you lead to our website at this area where you can discuss with us on trading, and we do share our trade ideas here and there, and we have some discussion. Scroll down further, you can even go through this course for absolutely free, where you learn how to trade at no risk. All right, so scroll down further, you even get to see a more detailed reward is to or trade ideas over here, each steps that we have, trade engage and stuff like that. All right, so back to our euro dollar daily chart over here. If the market happens to break towards the upside, then we are looking at 1.2338 for a shorting opportunity. Unlikely going to happen. 4-hour chart, this is what I'm looking at. Right now we are in the sell zone. Of course, it will favor the shorters. Okay, people who are looking to short, sell it. But if a break and close above happens 2170, then this entire analysis will be scrapped. And of course, break and close below 2023, then this bearish movement can continue. On the 1-hour chart, we did a aggressive short somewhere about 1.2134. Market went up higher and came back down, and we placed our stop loss above it. All right, so should it be going towards the downside, the first level of targets I'm looking at is 1.21. Okay, so it's about 14 pips to go, and this is pretty much the first zone I'm looking at. And of course, breaking and closing below 1.2082. Let's see. Yep, it's not that level yet. 82 is somewhere over here, I believe. Yep, sell zone. Then we can extend towards the downside towards 1.2048. That will give you another 30-40 pips movement, 30 over pips movement. All right, so this is pretty much what we do. We look at points, these areas, before we make a decision whether are we going to keep on the trade or are we going to intervene. That's all I have for you today. If you're interested in finding out more, check out our website on the upcoming webinar, and you will even get to learn even more things during our webinar, 1.5 hours webinar. That's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Looking forward to see you soon. Take care, guys.